Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to be showing you some life hacks today. Dental floss. Now everybody has this stuff at home, at least I really hope you do, because it's so important to keep your teeth healthy, to get in between those teeth and clean them out. That is so important. But for you guys, I'm going to show a few quick life hacks that you could use in your everyday life where dental floss will come in handy. Okay, so the first dental floss hack I want to share with you guys is how you can use it in a survival situation if you have to, as a fire starter. And so I'm going to cut off a little piece of this floss right here to just give you an example. Be very careful, don't try this at home. I already burned myself trying this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this little piece of dental floss right here, and one of the ends, I'll zoom in for, and one of the ends right here, you'll take your lighter, if you have one, and if you can get it started enough, it will light up in flames. This just happened when it was in my hand. It actually burned me. Whew, close one. Maybe I'll ball it up and try it that way. See, this stuff is just melting. Okay, so that first brand didn't work too well, so we're going to try this one now. As you can see, I have it like I did before. I'm just going to light the little end there. It's sizzling. I don't know about this one, guys. This is two different types of floss I've tried now. It's not burning. These are both waxed flosses. Let's try this one last time dangling it. Maybe it will burn upright. Oh, there we go. Whew. So if you dangle it like this, and then light it from the bottom, it'll burn. So I suppose maybe there's some application for it, but it's not going to save your life. Okay guys, so the next floss hack I wanted to share with you is if your sunglasses or your eyeglasses lose a screw, like what we have here, they have lost the little tiny flathead screw that's in there, and this has happened to me multiple times, and I really hate it because I have to end up throwing them out. What you can do, if you have thin enough floss that'll fit through that little tiny hole, is you can thread it through in place of that little tiny screw, and that's what I'm going to do here right now if I can. Look at that, I'm just pulling it through like that. Okay, so I've got it good and tight on there. I'm going to cut it. It's not perfect, but it will hold it in place. Perfect. Alright guys, another floss hack for you. So, a tough spot when your shoelace breaks like this on this old shoe of mine. So I'm going to do the life hack of switching it out with dental floss, seeing if that's actually a usable life hack for fixing your shoes. So here we go. Period. Alright guys, so I got the floss all the way on there. I don't know about this one. I'm going to put my shoe on here in a minute. We're going to see if it'll actually work. But I don't know. I don't think floss is strong enough to use as a shoelace. But we're going to see. I'll give you guys a nice look there at my dirty shoe with the new floss laces in there. And so, okay, let's pop this on and see how it works. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have this shoe all laced up with the floss. And it's just a little bit ridiculous to me, because if I even tried to tighten this down just a hair too much, these would snap. But you know what? It is working. It's keeping my shoe on. These lips right here on the sides aren't giving up because they're being held by the floss. And like, hey, so I guess an emergency situation where you have to, these things would actually work. Isn't that pretty insane? Look at that. Dental floss shoelaces? You gotta be kidding me. I never thought this would work. Guys, I got a quick little follow-up for you here. The sun's actually out. I'm on the back deck, and I wanted to show you the shoelaces here. I've been wearing them for a while, I don't know, a little part of the day now, and they're actually holding up to my disbelief. Can you believe that? And they're actually tight enough. See, I can't pull up on these lips on the side here. Isn't that insane? Who would have thought? Here, I'll give you a better look in the shade. Look at that. That's perfect. I'm totally going to use that in the future if I ever rip a shoelace when I'm out and about and I need to fix it. Hi, Lucy. Lucy, what are you doing? Alright, well guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned for more videos in the future, because we're going to keep the life hacks coming at you. And Have a great rest of your day. Hope the sun's out where you are. Really appreciate it here.